Hi and welcome back to another exciting video in this channel. My name is Martha Makwata and today I'm here again to bring to you another recipe. But today, unfortunately, I'll not be able to show you everything in full. I want you to guide me as my audience, as my viewers. And thank you so much for 550 subscribers. Hey, 550 of you are following me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't take it for granted. So today, it is Friday again. And unfortunately, I'm alone in the kitchen. So I'll not be able to shoot any recipe in full. But I just want to show you at a glance what we are preparing, because even time is well spent. I'll not be able to maybe take you through, but I want you to comment out of these recipes, which one do you want me to share next? I'm preparing chocolate cookies. Someone last time commented that were those scones. You can see how small they are, but somehow after baking, normally they look so big, but this is how small they are. Maybe let me do this for you to see. That's how small they are. So this is the dough that I'm using. So I'm preparing on this pan. I'm just about to pop them into the fridge. I have vegetables here which were prepared by my girl before she left. I have a girl who comes and goes. She comes to help and go back home. So that is what she prepared. And I'm preparing chicken curry. So I've started by frying this whole chicken that I've sliced small as you can see. So I'm frying so that I go to the next step. I'm hoping to show you the end result of our preparation. So this chicken curry is supposed to serve us tonight and for tomorrow lunch. And I'm also preparing rice. So just pause and wait to see the end result of what we are preparing today. This will be one of the shortest videos in this channel. But in real sense, I want you to comment below and tell me of these two recipes, which one do you want to see next? This is the way our cookie balls look like. They are quite small. Today I don't want you to say they are scones. That's the way they look. Let's proceed to the chicken and see the way it looks. That's the way our chicken looks. It has about 5 minutes for me to pull it out of the fire. Most of it is well fried. I've been turning it every 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, so that's the way we are proceeding, and we are proceeding well. So I still have a batch here. I think I'll bake like twice or thrice using, this is the biggest tray I have. So maybe twice or thrice for me to finish the baking. So let's pop this into the oven. Today I'm not decorating, I'm not putting the flour. So I'm baking it the way it is. And my oven is ready. So I've used the same paper that, the baking paper that I used on the first ones. I already removed the first batch. And for this one I had time, so I put our flours in place. If you've watched my other cookie video, you know how we do it with the fork. So let's pop them into the oven and see how they will turn out. So it is that time to reveal, and that is our curry, chicken curry, ready. Our rice is also ready. Let me also show you the cookies. So this is our dinner. I'm just about to do cabbages very fast. Then we have our dinner, cabbages in 2 minutes or even less. So that's our meal tonight. So this is our chocolate cookies. Remember the last trip I put our folk flowers. Normally chocolate cookies are not appealing to the eyes, but I can tell you freely that these chocolates are very, very nice. My sons are really buzzing around here like bees. I hope we'll have something for breakfast. Something will remain for breakfast. So I've taken you through. I'm only remaining with cabbages to prepare, but we are ready. Our breakfast is ready, our dinner and lunch is ready, and our Sabbath is ready. So yeah. So normally I end my video sweating. It's not different today. I've done a lot of running around in this kitchen, but finally, my family has a meal for this dinner tonight. We have a meal for breakfast. We have at least something for breakfast. We'll pair it with the bananas, which I bought, ripe bananas and tea. And we have lunch. So as simple as that, our meals are ready. So if you've watched until this point, I know that you're an ardent supporter. So kindly remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to like the video, leave a comment. Normally I tell my friends, even if you leave a love heart, that's a comment. If you leave a thumbs up, that's a comment. So remember to be respectful and leave a comment. So until the next video, bye for now. And remember, I love you so much.